abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini
Hello, Salivonani. Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events, your trusted partner when it comes to events, planning and management, as well as media management. So guys, if you are planning any type of event, be it a social event, family, corporate, church, political, whatever event, get in touch with Deb3 Events. Utole is stage for hiring, PA system, LED screens, special effects. We're talking about smoke machines. Just get in touch with Deb3 Events. And also for all your videography and photography services, Deb3 ilako ukuthi kuphathise. Just get in touch using the contacts akhona lapho ku screen sakho. And also we have a studio and rehearsal space khona lapha at Deb3 Studios. Get in touch with Deb3 ubuye uzopheka ingoma zakho ezi-quality. My name is Nondudu Zoncube, and as usual, ngihamba lo General Leslie Uselele. Wake up.
Oh, hello, and turn. Hello.
Ipapa last lange weekend. It was a special weekend, yeah.
Hello,
it
and
was a
welcome
special
to
weekend.
Enkundleni Exclusive. It's a boy, Kenushia Leslie. Welcome to another exciting episode of Enkundleni. It's going to be a short one, but very interesting. I'm just gossip. So, but like I always say, our episodes are powered by Ogutle Designs for all your graphic works, t-shirt printing, cap printing, couple goals. We've got you covered. So whatever that you need that has to do with graphic designing and printing, we've got you covered. Abanye, we're preparing for my events, Lobola Day, and you need maybe my calendars, you need my banner, and so on and so on. Make sure you visit Outlet Designs today and get your stuff ready. As we say, well, Babugel, today we're just going to take you through some of the events that were happening in Bulawayo and some of the events that are upcoming go Bulawayo. So it's just an update of Ugutu Bulawayo, what's happening. Ama planners Bulala, Vela was Pumus, Utlala Stella Makula box, and Angazu Soga Vela Ngabuti, Kula box. Every Sunday, I was getting some Kula box.
People are busy.
For me, Karen of House. It
will be fine. It will be fine. Yeah. So I think let's start with the Deb Band, the launch. So on Saturday, let's think focus.
All right.
Ababukeli bafuna umuntu ole focus. Please focus.
I'm focused.
Okay. So last Saturday, the 15th, Deb Band launched the album Umtandazo, and it was an amazing event. An amazing event. The Deb Band.
Yeah.
So special thanks to Pula Water, Lokes Natal and Amtla Siabonga Kulu. They were also our corporate partner, and also special thanks to Tenon Brook, yes, and special thanks to Chibuku as well.
Delta.
Yeah, yes. Delta. Special thanks to Delta, because we know what it happened. Gama winners, Chibuku, Road to Fame. Yes. Yeah. So without that competition, maybe ngabe aslonja.
Yeah, true.
Maybe that's a big maybe. And so special thanks to those corporate partners who abasixhasileyo and made the day as wonderful as it was. And yazuthi nxa ungazange ube khona, I think the best thing is to stream music, album Umtandazo, music Deb Band, or buy the flash, because lama flash drives athengiswayo. So I think nxa ungazange ube lethuba lokuthi ube khona eBulawayo Theatre, please also get in touch with Deb3 uthenge uze ukuthi ukhutheni, because those guys are they're very amazing.
When my biggest surprise, Umgcini. I've watched theatre plays, and
Yes.
akamgcini. I think ngisasemfitshane, I had at some point used to do poetry. But mina vele ngimazi kakhulu ngecamera yakhe ku front seat theatre. Vele le ndawo yakhe indawo kamgcini theatre. Ngadlalela endaweni kamgcini theatre. Ebese endaweni yakhe. Then ngase ngilalele album yonke na. Abe mbuzo chief album le yabhalwa ngubani? Obesithi ingoma zonke zabhalwa umgcini. Ayingqondo zikamember lo azikhoshapa.
I think he's a storyteller because you know what? Ungalalela ingoma zakhe anti.
All ngama stories.
Very, very interesting and deep stories. And also, not only ngoma zakhe, look at his pictures.
Yeah.
Angikaze ngibone eZimbabwe uphotographer kumbe umuntu oyenza iphotography trender ngephotography.
Yeah.
Just
true.
because of the pictures you trend. That's what Ngcini did. Ngcini trended for
ngoba vele everyone who knows him vele
what
bamazi.
trender ngama pictures.
Kuphela,
That has never happened in the country. So I think vele yena ngwakhe he's an amazing storyteller. Kuye vele. Ubhemani. Phela kubhenywa into ezintathu. Hayi. So
No, but amazing stories. I think you can relate even uvela ephumula. I remember ngoma ka Stone lena, you know. Abengizwisisa because yakubona abantu bemakhaya bangabuye town. So sibahleka sonxa bethatha ama picture busy. Yabona besho ama pose abe busy kumbe
uthali kwazi sifela ngathi. Yes.
Tower block lapha. Thina sa step but awazi ukuthi umuntu lo yena exposed to ichebe lesibaya and karezo le building enkulu lama glass awuthi ntatha picture lapha.
You know it brings me to another issue yokuthi ngihlala ngitshela abantu ukuthi ungagijimela ukuzwela umuntu engakutshela ngestory sakhe.
Yeah.
Ngoba sometimes uyazwela umuntu ohamba ngesicelo esitshekile eTown umzwele so kati yena that person is actually happier than you.
Yeah,
He's experiencing something different. Town indawo akazakayifike kuye it's something huge. Uthabe kakhulu and wena ulama stress akho acabangayo but uzwela umuntu lwana yena ocontent.
Yena he has made it.
So ungagijimela ukuzwela umuntu.
But I shout out to Mgcini. That's
Yeah.
massive. And if you haven't listened to ingoma the Dep Band, I think even kuthiwa musical ear yakho ifila usweli 8 from the 20 awusweli. Mina ngaqalisa ngu4 karesi ngu12. Engibona sibili uthi ngiyakwanisa ukuzithaya every day. And also lama artists that made it happen. You know it's nice to see ama artists ehlangana bephuma lento and iphume siwe. And mina I think Usane is underrated, aren't
She's good.
How Usane
She's very good.
And I've said umntwana lo uyakwanisa.
Ooh.
Sikhulisile shwaba ngisho Usane. Usane sebehlabela.
So guys, get in touch with Dep3 uthole music yakho khona lapho ama contacts akhona ku screen vele awusozowasweli akhona khona ku screen. Get in touch with Dep3 and ask for a flash drive.
Yeah,
It has the music and also you can across all platforms you can stream and uzilalelele nje ukholise.
Apple Store what.
Yeah.
Ambelalela.
Because nxa sikhuluma so umuntu ingoma ngazizwanga I don't think ukuthi uzazwisisa ukuthi sikhuluma. But once you listen to the songs you really get what we are trying to say.
Proper stories civil about Ubulawayo. Well, at least lapana it was an event.
It was.
It was an event. On the same day there was Pinifa. Unfortunately, both of us did not go there. But gossip. How far?
Ozalazi.
I Pinifa be right.
Yeah.
Pinifa be right. O mama be qogela ama Pinifa abo. Pinifa be kule order. I also heard all performances were local. Yeah. All performances were local. Bekulama Bubesi, bekulo mfana omsotho, bekulo Lati, and sakwazi nxa ikhona omnye ngimkhohliweyo. MCs, it was a dramatic miss Lomanare. It was local kakhulu. And to get numbers when you have a local lineup, I think think we're heading the right direction. Ngoba we usually say, anxa sifuna ama-numbers, antu uzabona i-Duke Slay ngabuye. Because maybe kulo yi-1, wala. Then ungabuza ukuthi indaba uzokuthiwa abethu abagcwalisa. Bagcwalisa.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
So it was all good in Punifa. You had something to say ngegarden of ours.
No, mina bembuza lina kuphela ukuthi laphana anti thina church city from the abundance of the heart. Yabona? When you have led by the spirit, you are led to do a lot of things. Ikubona umuntu segide church and nxa laphana seligade stage lina kuyohamba njani?
Karate garden of ours akula spirit mba.
Yipi, you can spirit. Or the spirit of the garden.
Hey, we are led by the spirit.
But kusasa manje kudali.
Let me tell you something. Asuye wonke just because wona lenhloni ungacanta abantu bonke balenhloni.
No, is it indaba yenhloni or why kumele wagade staging?
Yikho phela
Wena
ngikutsho.
ungaperform.
Yikho phela ngikutsho ukuthi inhloni le shame. Anti nxa wena ulakho, don't expect everyone else to have it.
Omunye vele
Omunye vele ngalakho.
Eh.
That's why omunye kwanisa ukutrendisa amanudo akhe wena ungakwanisa.
Angikwazi nokwathatha.
Did you get it? Exactly. So wena ungacabanga ukuthi wena olakho abanye abantu balakho. So mina usisilwana uthe phakanyiswa and everything. I was like Chena ndo sisilo guys.
But lami ngasolo price ngathi umphakamiselana. Phakamiselana usiswe inkosi.
Mina ngikhuluma maybe uBryce was doing his job.
Yeah.
Mina ngisola abantu ade bemsola, you know. Ukalazo inhloni wena ulazo so yekela umuntu oke la inhloni ayenze phela afunga ukwenza
No, but
akalazo.
is it part of the program? Are you supposed to dance there? Because sometimes enyizwa zinhloni para isikusomela uhambe emgwaqweni unqunu sithi hamna ngishapha nilanhloni.
Uyakwazi ukuthi into usisilwana wayeyimsayideni kulabanye abantu bangagada stage nabakhitshwa mina indaba yokugada stage sengayikhuluma kanengi abanye bangagada stage nabakhitshwa so usisilo ukhitshweleni
Usizilo bengelanhloni yikho bemkhiphile. Ngabe ugade stage nelenhloni. Ngabe nakade siloko egide stage. Yena ugade ngelanhloni.
favoritism asiyifuni kulabanye siyaze sicomplain after the show kanti phela nade bese stage bebedingani bengakhitshwanga isho iziphele
Hayi umdala nto ayijika ama-100. Kanti wena ungayikhipha umuntu ejika ama-100 esitejini. Ejika ama-100 ejika ama-100 emkhipha njalo. Umdala uthi ejika ama-100. Isisurukwi. Lo beyajika ilutho.
ubejika
Oh yeah, para ubejika.
so chiyana labantu guys chiyana labantu
All right, my we've got the roast nge Saturday. Is it Saturday or Friday? Ansakwazi. But it should be Saturday. Okay. Yes, Saturday. We've got the roast a large city hall. Big one. No, bengikhuluma lo CEO eMahlekisa last week. Sixoxa nje nge roast. Lami ngifaka nje 2 cents zami ukuthi I feel like ngabe singezelelile maybe ama-panelist safaka ama-panelist alwaziyo kakhulu udumo lwebhoso abantu abale more insight or that know more about the culture. I once saw this guy sengikhohle ibizo oweLuveve. I think kule ndawo elendazi futhi Luveve ngale wayexoxa nje ngokuthi Peter babebuya la, so I think the guy is a caretaker or something endaweni yakhona nale, so sengikhohliwe ukuthi exactly kokuhamba nje but ngani indawo lobu Highlanders indawo engani le history and the guy is just in caretaker but into ezixoxa so especially stories zokuthi osibani babesithi bangafika la baqala ukuwona so laphana njani because mina ndiyabe sengingumdala senithanyela then labana bengabafana abancane, so I thought maybe we're going to get more of those stories, or should I say maybe we are going to get more, because he says to me some of the panelists ababakawa reveal amanye really will just see them during the day. But I think expectation yami ku roast ikubona yikuzwa more about i-Highlanders maybe okunye ngingakwaziyo. Negative or positive akula ndaba. It's for me to decide after issue.
It's comedy anyway.
But khathesi bengingakabi satisfied ama-panelists. Ngingazwe.
Eish, nakaya ngifuna ngikhuluma bazangikhansela but Mfuna bazangikhansela hayi but lami ndokusola here and there.
But maybe we are bracing for a surprise. Maybe because it's a big
I
brand.
think the best thing, auntie, sizabona even after the event, we'll see how it goes out. Since the city kula manya panelists anga reveal.
Yeah.
Probably that's when they will come out and then because enye into okumele mahlekisa ingayikhangeleli phansi i-depth yebhoso. And they shouldn't underestimate the Highlanders brand because that is a huge brand. And that is a brand engathi we all know it is a very rich culture. Ambona ukuthi bangaphelelwa lapha.
Yeah.
Bona ngokwabo as the panelists, and so we are expecting something really good, like really good, because uyazi ukuthi kufanana when you get a good actor, then you give them a very good script. You get it? You will come up with something. If you cast well, you will come up with something very, very beautiful. But if you get a very good actor and you don't cast them well, you don't give them a good script.
Yeah.
Even no matter how good they are, akuphumi. So no matter how powerful the Highlanders brand is, if the panelists are not up to par, it won't come out.
Yeah, true.
But because Highlanders already is a very big brand, rich in everything, and if the panelists are good, I'm telling you, this is going to be one of the biggest roasts.
Yeah, exactly like I said last week.
So if they do put the right panelists properly, your casting yakona, put the right panelists properly, I'm born to bangalahleka.
Yeah, true.
I'm born.
True. But well, we have been promised a surprise by Mahlekisa. They say they are bringing to us a fusion of poetry, theater, music, comedy in under one roof, and this is the roast of the Islanders. Something unusual, something raw, something different, and something new. So if you haven't bought yourself a ticket to a roast of Highlanders, make sure you get yourself a ticket namhlanje, because we are heading for a serious surprise. But Mbube iyabi khona angazi ukuthi iyabi senzani, like lami nginje so ngithenga ticket because how ngithengisela idea ungithengisela. So it's a fusion of into ezinengi, and all that the main goal is to make sure ukuthi siyakhanzinga ibhoso yethu kuhle. So for all Bulawayo people, for all Zimbabwe people, for all African people, for all Highlanders, soca lovers, whether uthandi amaZulu kumbe iBulawayo Chiefs, whatever, make your way to a large city hall Saturday. It's gonna be what, 20, I don't know. Listen, mfakeli post 21. Hey, madoda kuba unemployed. Uyahlala ungawazi ukuthi namhla Thursday, namhla wena. But this is what is happening in town. Ama events have been happening around the city. 21 is Friday.
Yes.
So it should be Friday. Yeah, Friday. Correction. Friday, 21st, service 12. So, City Hall, si Kolisa entertainment here, roast of Highlanders. Well, things have been happening around the city. Events are happening around the city. Isikolo zivaliwe. No, abantu should be careful. Abantu ba drive it dark.
I think if ama holidays are a problem, because that's when you find uti futhi, that's when most accidents happen.
Yeah.
We can't really say it's traffic. It's, for me, it's negligence.
Yeah,
I think irresponsible driving. So, and now if we're talking of accidents, you are driving me towards the Kariba Dam.
Oh yeah,
accident.
Yeah, that one is very sad.
Because as we speak now, the death toll is on 94, and that is a big number.
Yeah,
that is
yeah.
a big number. And I don't think in Zimbabwe, I mean, as much as I can remember, I don't remember us having an accident that claims so many lives. So I think that's something terrible.
Yeah. Akubuhlungu, especially to my families. I saw 1 or 2 videos of some guys narrating into event, how it happened, and Lapa, you know, it's painful to be helpless, even especially for a man. Ubona so uthi nanguyana umuntu lapha ngiyafisa so ukuyamsiza so,
Uyazi ukuthi
but there's nothing that I can do.
kulo munye umuntu abantu abangakhulumi ngaye engilokho ngimcabanga. The wife and the children of the captain. Because in as much as we say escape, so it was in a bad condition, they are also saying bebemnika ama warnings ukuthi no, this is happening.
I heard so.
Yeah. So I'm just thinking ukuthi okay, esigabeni lapha bahlala khona. Umama labantwana laba bazaphila njani?
Yeah.
Because I see what they drive escape. They are not responsible for the captain's actions. And nxa bengabantwana, ukukhula kwakhona. The best thing for the mother is to move. Because nxa bengabantwana, even ukukhula kwakhona, akuntshela ukuthi izimuli ezingaka ezilahlekelweyo. And already we are seeing, I don't know how true it is, we are seeing the narrative online to say the driver is also part of the captain. Nanti driver is also part of the blame. And so I'm just thinking ukuthi okay, so abantwana laba bazakhula njani khona lapho abakhona, unless nxa ukuthi maybe bahlalela khatshana, but from what I saw it seems like bahlala in that angazi urban or rural, but in that Kariba area. It's something else.
Yeah, it's something else. It's something else, and it really speaks to the heart of forgiveness and also understanding ukuthi nxa baba meli socha mina ngisosocha mina ngicomedian and ungathathi izono zikamdala uzijikele zonke phezu kwami. Well, it is just giving you updates of what has been happening inside and outside Bulawayo, as much as entertainment and other social issues are involved. It has been Enkundleni exclusive, I think namhla kweqanda, and kule outbreak of COVID and bengani yakhwehlela bengiqonda indaba le.
Chethela khatshana ndoda. Hayi.
But social distancing lapha is more than a meter la.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining us again on your favorite podcast, Enkundleni, brought to you by Deb3 Events. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi lilathi and angazi sesibatshele ngama events. I think the best thing is to valelisa you guys. Lingakhohlwa ukuthi izimota zibuye eRoyal Shine Car Wash along 4th Street between Connaught and Masocha Avenue. And once again, I would like to specially thank Pula Water. Also thank
Delta.
No, for the episode.
Okay. Phela ngilokho. Baba, Delta phela ngihlahla ngibonga iDelta.
Okuhle Designs, your favorite.
Mina vele bese ngithi bese sibonga iDelta. Kanti sabonga amanzi wodwa.
Sibonge iPula Water, sibonge Okuhle Designs for being our sponsors. Thank you so much, guys, and sithi bye-bye.
Yeah, sithi bye-bye, but don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, wenza konke okwansayo, and also comment sifuba kwazi ukuthi what's happening around your area, what do you think of our episode, and also press that notification button so that you are aware of the other episodes. Lingena nje kuhle ukuthi niqala ukuthi la usuhlukwazi igama unjina Leslie bengilo nonduduzo Ncube sithi okwakhathi esisalibona singalikhangela.